everybody, it's Morah Michal. Today we are going to be doing two very cool science experiments. Today I'm going to be talking about mixing colors. What happens when we mix two different kinds of colors and what will happen if we mix many colors together. So what you would need today is different colored paints: red, blue, green, orange, purple, and yellow. So the first thing that I want to mix, the first two colors, let's go back to the chart, are red and blue. Okay, let's see what happens when we want to mix red and blue together. Now, when you use the paint, you don't have to use that much, just a little bit. So we're going to use red and a little blue. And let's see what happens. You want to mix it up really, really well. And if you guys guessed purple, you are correct. Let's go back to our chart and see. Purple is correct. So now we know if we would use red and blue together, you would get purple. Okay, let's see what happens when we use red again and yellow. Let's go back over here and let's put in some red. And for this one, you want to use yellow, but a little bit more than you would use for the other colors. So just a little bit more. Let's wash our paintbrush. Always wash your paintbrush in between and wipe it well so you don't have any of the leftover colors from your other mixing. Okay, let's mix, mix, mix. Okay, I'm actually going to add a little bit more. And with science experiments, you always have to add or take away. That's what's great about experiments, because you don't know 100% what will happen. So, if you said orange, let's see. You are correct. Red and yellow make orange. Okay, our next one is going to be using blue and yellow. Let's see what happens when we use blue and yellow. Again, let's wash our paintbrush. Always make sure that there's nothing left on that paintbrush from the last time. Okay, let's see what happens. I happen to love mixing blue and yellow together because there's actually a great book called Little Blue, Little Yellow by Leo Leone that I love to read in class. And if you guys said green, let's go back to our chart. You are correct. Blue and yellow make green. Okay, now for the last part, let's say we take all your favorite colors. So my favorite colors are blue, green, yellow, and red. So with this one, you're mixing 4 colors together. Those would be my 4 favorite colors to use. Obviously, you can choose your own, but Morah Michal thinks that with these 4 colors, I'm going to think brown is going to appear. Let's see if Morah Michal is correct. Let's mix those up really, really, really well and see what happens. Got to mix really, 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 really well. kind of like a darkish brown. But that's a fun part about experimenting with colors. You don't know what you'll get. Okay, so for this experiment, you will need paper plates, paint if you have at home. You can for sure do it with food coloring because then you can get a liquid watercolor from it. You would need spoons to mix, paintbrush, water to clean your paintbrush, and that's really it. There will be a follow-up activity after this, also experimenting with food coloring, which is really exciting because that has milk and dishwashing soap and Q-tips. I hope you enjoy this and let me know how it goes. Bye.